Hi, my name is Miss Yvonne 1. Welcome to my class. Today we will explore how to use Sumi art supplies. The art supplies that you need today include Sumi ink, Sumi paper, Sumi brushes, paint palette, apron, glass of water, and cardboard. First, I'd like you to take a very tiny small drop of Sumi ink and place it in the art palette like this. And then I'd like you to dip it in different containers of water like this, creating different concentrates of black. So now we're going to experiment with the art brush. First, I'd like you to draw a line like this using very light pressure. Next, I'd like you to draw another line using more pressure like this. The slower you draw the line, the thicker it will be. Next, I'd like you to glide the brush sideways like this, creating a dry brush effect like this. Next, you can spin the brush around like this, and you can see these little bristle marks can be achieved by dabbing it like so. I'd like you to try some swirls and some zigzag lines. When the bristles are separated like this, it will create interesting textures. So next, I would like you to roll the brush sideways like this and continue to move the brush in different ways for different effects. You can also dab the brush on the page like this for consistent marks. And you can create little dab lines like this also. I would like you to explore the different types of greys that we created with the paint palette earlier. So play around the brushes to see what you can achieve using the brush and the inks. So now we're going to do an exercise. I'm going to teach you how to paint a Sumi Cat. First, I'd like you to create a circle blob like this, and then draw a second half blob like this. Next, I'd like you to do a third circle, do the ears, and then the tails like this. Next, I would like you to use the concentrated black and make sure the tip of the brush is sharp and it doesn't have too much ink, and I would like you to create the whiskers like this. Next, I'd like you to sign your name. Put the year, and if you have a stamp, then you can stamp your name on there also. And that's your Sumi Cat. So next we're going to be drawing a more complex Sumi Cat. So first, I'd like you to use the grey and the large thick brush, and then we're going to do the head like this. I'd like you to do the ears like this, the outline of the head, its paws, its nose and its mouth, and then the whiskers using concentrated black, and then using the diluted grey again to do the body like this. And then I'd like you to sign your name. Next, I'd like you to let it dry, and then I'd like you to draw the eyes on the cat using concentrated black. And there you are, your completed Sumi Cat. I hope you had fun. See you next week.